So if you would like to read and play the audio in your bulletin from within Myriad News, you need to load up the Bulletin Reader window. Find the bulletin that you wish to present and then click on the Read Bulletin button. This will load up the Bulletin Display window. Now, in this view, it isn't very useful, so to make it fill up the whole window, you need to click on the button there to display the main tab pane. This removes the category tree and story window. Within the bulletin display, you can use the arrow keys and spacebar to navigate the stories and play any associated audio. The current story is highlighted in blue. When you want the audio to play, you can click on the play triangle icon or hit the spacebar.
I've never, ever been in anything that I've been happier to be involved with. It's a brilliant show, I think. It's a well-constructed show. It has a splendid cast.
You'll then get a progress bar and countdown with it turning red with 5 seconds to go. As you scroll down the stories, you'll see the segments of the bulletin clock highlighting to show how far you are into the whole bulletin. If you wish to navigate quickly back to a previous story, you can left-click on the story in the bulletin items list on the left-hand side, and this list also shows you whether there is audio present in the story with the inclusion of a speaker icon. If you click on the Reset Bulletin button at the top, it'll scroll the bulletin to the Start Again, and I'll show you how you can use it for something else a little later on. If you click on the clock in the top right, it turns into a timer, which is very useful if you want to practice your bulletin and check how long it is. Click it again to return to the normal clock time. The other window you can show is the instant carts, which works in the same way as in Myriad Playout. You can create sets and navigate those by clicking on the set name at the top and clicking on the set you require. When loaded, left-clicking on the item once will instantly start playing the audio. You also get a small progress bar underneath each cart. Click on the bar again to hide the instant carts from view. Another feature in the bulletin display is the ability to record the news bulletin. You can choose which time the bulletin is for and which cart number to record into. You can also choose the desired length of the bulletin and what to do with the recording after it has finished. This may include sending it to another station for playout. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but you can get more details by contacting P² support. I'm going to show you the recording aspect of it, so let's choose a cart number and click on OK, save the bulletin and go back into bulletin display. Now at the bottom of the window is a cart recorder. When you are ready to start recording, click on the red record button, and here I've got it to start recording once I put up the microphone. I can now read and play the associated audio as before, and the whole recording is being captured into cart number 43. You can also see on the left-hand side a blue progress indicator which shows roughly where you should be in your bulletin at that current record time. The cart title is based on the user logged in and the bulletin title. When I want to stop recording, I hit the red record button again and I'm asked if I would like to keep the recording or not. I'll go with yes. Now, if I click on record again, it's going to ask me if I want to overwrite the recording in cart 43. If I say yes, then we can start our bulletin again. If I mess up, I can click on the Reset Bulletin button above my story list and it will stop the recording and ask me if I want to save it. If I say no, and then it will scroll back up to the top and you're ready to start again. I can start my timer off in the top right, or I can use the cart recorder display to see how long I've been recording for. When happy, stop recording and save your audio.